Well, hello and welcome to the University of South Carolina. I want to welcome you as new faculty here. My name is Bryce Bible and I'm the Vice President for IT and the Chief Information Officer. We're so happy that you've joined us and I wanted to give you a brief introduction to the IT services that you can expect at the institution. So I'd like to just briefly go over the resources that you can expect here at the institution as you get started. The university provides a great help site to give you some resources that you may need. The website includes content that you can learn of the resources we have. It gives you a phone number that you can call. We also have a walk-up location in Burns. It's called the Carolina Tech Zone. This is staffed during regular business hours, and you can bring your device with you to this location, and there'll be technicians there available to help you with any issues you may have. You can also call our help desk to get some assistance as well. And this is staffed during regular work hours, and then during the evenings, the phone call will be answered and a ticket will be created that will be responded to early the next day. So I'd like to go over a few other resources that IT resources we have available to you here at the University of South Carolina. We have a network, of course, that you can join. Our wireless network is an Eduroam network, which may be similar to what you've used at other institutions. Our website gives you assistance with how to set that up, or you can call the help desk or work with your own IT staff that might be co-located with you in your college or your school. Finally, we have great resources available to you for research IT support. We know you may have research areas that you want to pursue. We have high-performance computing services available and also assistance with grant writing in terms of IT resources you may need. So, welcome to the University of South Carolina, and we can't wait to meet your IT needs. Thanks.